Hey guys, Mr.III here, and today we're going to install these LEDs on the CR-V. So in front of us we have two Safego LEDs. They are both air-free and supposedly have 60 SMD chips, 12 volts, and 6000K. I will install these as my reverse lights. And here's a closer look. They do not tell me how bright they are, so we'll find out. Removing the tail light housing is fairly simple. First you need to pop out the tabs and unscrew the screws. Now, pulling out the side taillight housing. While doing this, have caution on the outer bottom side clip. You don't want to break it. And success. Alright, I'm just putting this back on temporarily and going to pull out the LED bulb to replace the stock. Which is located at the bottom. Just a simple twist and pull. Now insert the LED. Placing the taillight housing back on, and I'll do a quick test to check out if the polarity is correct before I screw in the screws, and then I would be screwed. Made a funny there. And it's alive. When it gets a little darker, I'll show you the comparison of the two, since I can see the color difference, but which one is brighter? Dum dum dum. And here's the LED in the night. Nice and bright compared to the stock. Uh-oh. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? The stock is putting out way more light than the LED. Sure, the LED has a more wider color at 6000K, but the intensity of the stock takes the cake on this one. I'll show you the difference when one is covered. I'll cover the OEM first. Then the LED. In conclusion, the stock wins sadly, but the hunt is still on. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Mr.III out.